In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print ChatGPT conversation. Here's the plan. We'll start by asking ChatGPT to save your conversation as a PDF, then we'll download that PDF to your device, and finally, we'll print it. This approach keeps the layout clean and makes it easy to share or archive later. Begin by wrapping up your chat so you've got everything you want included. In the message box, clearly ask ChatGPT to save the entire conversation as a PDF. Be specific about what you want captured, such as the full exchange, code blocks, or any images that appear in the thread. A clear request helps ensure the PDF reflects exactly what you need. After you send the request, wait for ChatGPT to prepare it. Once it's ready, you should see an option to download the PDF. If anything looks off in the preview or the description, you can adjust your wording and ask ChatGPT to regenerate a cleaner version with proper page breaks or a title page for context. Next, download the PDF. Click the download option and choose where to save it on your device. Pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a descriptive name so you can find it later. If your browser asks how to handle the file, select Save, Not Open, so you have a permanent copy. When the download finishes, open the file from your Downloads folder or the location you chose. Scan through it to confirm the conversation is complete, the formatting looks good, and everything is readable. If you see missing sections or awkward page breaks, go back to ChatGPT, refine your request, and download a new PDF. Now you're ready to print. Open the PDF in your preferred viewer and choose the print command. Select the correct printer and paper size. Use the preview to check that the pages look right. Consider whether you need color or if black and white is fine, and decide if you want single-sided or double-sided printing. Set orientation to portrait or landscape as needed, and choose a page range if you only need part of the conversation. When everything looks good, click Print and wait for the job to finish. Before you share or file the printout, quickly review it for any personal or sensitive details and remove anything you don't want on paper. Keep the PDF as your digital backup, and consider adding a date or short description in the file name so you can find it later. That's it. Ask ChatGPT to save as a PDF, download it, and print it with your preferred settings.